Alright, so today we are hitting. Go to the map. We are going to Fort Redstone because we got a long day. And Fort Redstone is literally up in this area, somewhere up in this area. But that's where we gotta head to because we are going to build some turrets. What's in my dang on this? Oh. Well, first I gotta unload everything. I said have. I didn't say one. Yeah, we gotta load up all our weapons. Alright, we got enough ammo to last us a damn, what's his name? Because it's gonna be a fight getting into Fort Redstone. It's gonna be a fight getting there. It's gonna be a real fight. Let's make sure my trunk is prepared. It's 9 o'clock. I damn was not trying to do that. Redstone. We are here. And we are drunk. Turn. Oh God, I don't know why I did that. Why? Turn. Get out. Time to get out. Go to work. Be good if I had a sledgehammer. I am drunk to the max. Oh, we hot. Hey, where you I just could hit a Blackwood? You know what? I'm gonna hit a Blackwood. Okay, come on. Gotta fight. Huh. You always hungry, man. You stay hungry. And then what makes it so bad, I pick light. Huh. You always hungry, man. You stay hungry. And then what makes it so bad, I pick light eater, but still hungry. Might find a generator too. We need the key. yeah, they behind this though. Belt with me. The one time I need my damn 2 belt, I don't have it. So I'll bring you in here, buddy. You did not have a key. Well, there it is. Thank a God. Nope. 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 Got a radio. Nope. Got a radio. No. Crowbar. I would take that. Nope, nope. Oh no. Bad luck on this. Oh, okay. Hopefully it's in here. Nope. Nope. Avocado seed. I don't even know why I'm picking those up, and I'm not really gonna use them. Not one damn sledgehammer. Nope. Ammo though. You know what? We're gonna probably sleep here for the night. We're just gonna go to sleep. My bad, y'all. Had to go blow my nose, get myself together. Nope. 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 Oh God, how hard it is to find. Nah, watch. When I don't be looking for it, I find. That's like how I normally be on this game. Like literally. Oh my God. Time to keep going. On with the search. One more spot to check in here in this building. Got one more spot, and if they don't have it, then all my stuff in my trunk, because I need room. One more area. Gotta get the jacket off. No, our battery charger. Alright, out of here. Head on to the warehouse over next. This is the drip. Right here. This is the drip. You cannot deny. My boy looked like he's ready to kill a lot of freaking zombies. Just being honest. Alright, let's head on over. I'm sorry, sir. Oh. 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 Oh, God. Oh, he got a ride shield. Oh, he. Bag your ass back. Bag your ass back. Alright, so we're going to open up this thing right here. Oh, we need a crowbar. Good thing we picked up one. Where the hell you come from? Okay, yeah, he's... Oh, yeah. I don't know why I got 2 crowbars in that, but... Fast forward time. Alright, and we ready. Let's get back to it. Oh! Oh! And I locked my glasses off. Nope. Nope. Sledgehammer. Nope. Give me a dango sledgehammer. Nope. Canteen. I will take one. Nope. Nope. Fork. Take that. Be a good speed. Everything but a damn sledgehammer. So, Moldral it is. Had a clear patch, just wait there, then yeah. I wouldn't even have to worry about the sledgehammer. But don't have a clear passage, because they done changed the map up so much on here. Off to Moldral. On snacks. And while we here, we might well go ahead and hit the police station up as well. Coca-Cola. Oh, can't eat nothing else now, huh? Too damn full, huh? How to use the generator. Thank God.